Hello, today, let me show you AI skills you need to know. AI skills everyone should learn before it's too late. If you don't learn these AI skills, you may struggle to compete in the future. Artificial intelligence is changing how people work, learn, and earn. But here's the truth, you don't need to be technical to benefit from AI. Today, I'll show you AI skills everyone should learn, explained simply. Skill 1. Understanding AI basics. You don't need to build AI. You need to understand what AI can and cannot do. This helps you avoid fear, avoid misinformation. Use AI wisely. Understanding is the first skill. Skill 2. Asking the right questions. AI responds based on how you ask questions. People who ask better questions get better results. This skill improves learning, problem solving, productivity. It's not about typing more, it's about thinking clearly. Skill 3. Critical thinking with AI. AI can be wrong. That's why you must evaluate answers, not blindly trust them. This skill helps you detect mistakes, avoid false information, make better decisions. AI assists you decide. Skill 4. Adapting to AI changes. AI evolves quickly. The skill is not mastering one system, it's adapting continuously. People who adapt stay relevant. People who resist fall behind. Skill 5. Using AI ethically. AI should help people, not harm them. Understanding ethics keeps you responsible and trusted. This matters in work, business, education. Ethical users last longer. Why these skills matter? AI won't replace everyone, but people who understand AI will replace those who don't. These skills protect your future. AI is a tool, not a threat. Learn how to use it, and you'll stay ahead. Subscribe to AI Made Simple for clear and beginner-friendly AI knowledge.